Namaste. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson, Hound in the red jersey. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Write the false statement correctly in your notebook. Okay. The children were excited because they were participating in a game. True. The children climbed the hill so that they could see the end of the tunnel. True. Peter noticed that the boy in the red jersey hadn't come out of the tunnel. True. The boy in the red jersey had broken his arm. False. Broken his leg. The children splashed milk on the boy's forehead to wake him up. True. Bobby brought home a lame dog for her mother to look after. False. He bought Jim. Answer these questions. Where did the three children go to see the paper chase? In a railway lane. Where did the children decide to go inside the tunnel? Why? Why did the children decide to go inside the tunnel? They decided to go inside the tunnel because the boy in the red jersey, he hadn't come out of the tunnel. That's why they decided to go inside. What did the children do when they heard a train coming? So they go to the manhole. In what condition did they find Jim? They saw Jim was fainted. Where did the children go for help? Who helped them? They go for help to the Bobby's home, and Bobby's mother helped. Where did the children take him? Why? They take him to the Bobby's home. Next, vocabulary. Complete the following similes using a given word. As tough as nails. As cool as cucumber. As slow as snail. As busy as bee. As free as bird. As tall as giraffe. As soft as velvet. As black as coal. Next, underline the similes in these sentences and state the two things being compared. The wrestler was as strong as an ox. The wrestler is being compared to an ox. Okay. Next, the runner was as fast as hair. The runner is being compared to hair. Sam is as hungry as a bear. He has not eaten the whole day. Sam is being compared to bear. Harry's broomstick was light as a feather. Broomstick is being compared to feather. The old village headman is as wise as an owl. Village headman is compared to owl. Understood? Next. Underline the verbs in the sentences. Write whether they are regular or irregular verbs. Regular verbs means verbs that form the past tense by adding ed. Okay. The children reached. So adding ed, that is regular, and the verbs that change the form, that is irregular. Okay. Go, went, that is irregular. The queen arrived early, that is regular. She controlled her laughter. Controlled is a regular verb. It was a beautiful Sunday morning. Was a beautiful Sunday morning. Was irregular verb. The villagers heard a strange sound. Irregular verb. People travelled to the old woman's house. Regular verb. The boys played football during their summer vacation. Regular verb. Okay. Next. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb means it has a object. Okay. Intransitive verb means it does not have any object with its complete the meaning. Okay. Underline the verbs and state whether they are transitive or intransitive in your notebook. The dog is barking. Is barking. So it's a intransitive verb. Okay. Brian locked the door. Locked is a transitive verb. The plane landed safely. Landed. Transitive verb. Rama's mother cooked a tasty meal. Cooked. Transitive verb. Mariam washed her hands with soap. Transitive verb. Abhi suddenly stopped on being on the busy road. Intransitive verb. Understood? This is about the exercise part of the lesson, the hound in the red jersey. Okay, tomorrow we will see Robin Hood tricked the sheriff. Okay, thank you.